Hello everybody, how to rotate PDF page online without investment 100% free. Let's go. First time open your Chrome browser and search box tools mpro.com. Enter this site open and scroll top section all in one top PDF tools edit convert and merge effectively 80 plus free tools fast easy smart. Okay, click for PDF multiple tools for free. Click now. This feature show and scrolling this search box any PDF search and scrolling all PDF multiple PDF any problem solving. Okay, and top menu bar this rotate PDF page. Okay, click now. This imagination rotate PDF. Select your PDF. Example, select this PDF, open this PDF image and this option rotate. Click now. This button click smoothly rotate this PDF and set your need shape rotate PDF. This button right section rotate. This button left section rotate. This button save rotate PDF. Okay, save now. This download option ready PDF rotate successfully. Download and delete. Download, click now and download effectively, rename and save. Okay, this video education purpose. Please like, subscribe and follow channel and most powerful video this next time. Thank you so much.